Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Pump.fun. Alright, let's begin. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and click on the extension icon located in the top right corner of the browser. From the list of extensions, click on Phantom to open your wallet. Inside the wallet, tap on the icon in the bottom right corner to manage settings or explore more options. Now, in the browser, type Pump.fun into the search bar and press Enter to visit the website. Once the site loads, click on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner of the page. From the wallet options, select Phantom to proceed. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to connect your wallet. Click on Connect and then tap Confirm to finalize the connection. After connecting, you can optionally enter a username or bio in the provided fields and save the changes. So that's basically how you can connect Phantom Wallet to Pump.fun. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.